Hello friends, may you all be safe. Today I will introduce you to such a website, where you will find many tools that you can use for free. And you don't even need to log into this site. So let's start the video for this interesting website. As this is an image in front of you. Remove image background from photos, 100% automatically in 3 seconds. So, you can see this before and after image. Similarly, remove unwanted objects from image easily with AI powered in painting. It can remove the suddenly intruding objects in your photos. You can see the difference before and after. Similarly, remove image sky from photos 100% automatically with 0 clicks and free. So, you can see this before and after image. And if you want to remove the foreground from the image, you can do it. You can see the difference before and after. After the foreground is removed, the clouds in the background return to their original shape. Expand images instantly with AI option now available. Upload an image here. Expand the image as much as you want after uploading. Or you can select a preset size from the right side. After that, click on AI Expand. This is where the process will start. You can see it is being processed. And so this image has expanded. And you can download this expanded image from here. The next tool is black and white to color. As you can see, he has colorized a black and white image. You can see the difference before and after. It can colorize black and white image 100% automatically in 1 second. Next is brighten images instantly with AI. You can enhance your image brightness automatically with AI technology. You have to upload an image here. Any image you want to brighten up. There are 3 brightness options here: light, medium, and strong. I select medium here, and click on AI Brighten. Now, this website will process this image. You can see it executing here. As soon as we get the results, we will see the difference between before and after. Due to the high demand, please wait for a while. It will take a couple of minutes or longer. So you will see the original image on the left. And on the right, you will see the image with a clear difference that has been brightened. So, you can download this image from here. The next tool is generate realistic backgrounds with AI for free. You also have to upload an image here. It will create stunning AI generated backgrounds for your product photography with ease. After the image is uploaded, it will first remove the background. On the right side, you will see many presets. Trending presets, and mood or countertop, etc. will be visible. You can see that it has removed the background of the image. And, suppose I select mountain here. As soon as I click on the mountain, image processing will begin. So you will see that, after the original background is removed, the mountain background will be applied to the image. So, it can be seen that the mountain has been applied to the background image. And you can do all this absolutely free. And you can work on as many images as you want here. This site is completely free. You can work on it for free. And after the background is applied, you can download it. The next tool is to Blur the background. You can blur background online, for free. Upload the image, whose background you want to blur here. The image will be processed. Blur type has Gaussian blur, luminous halo blur and motion blur. Here, we assume we choose the Gaussian blur. You can increase or decrease the blur intensity. The background can also be grayscaled. Stroke width can also be given to the image. And once you are satisfied with the image, you can download it. You can add a clean, crisp white background in the next tool. It will make your photo background white automatically. Upload the image here, whose background you want to make white. You can also choose your own color on the right side. By default, it converts the image to white. If you click on green, the background will turn green. Or, if you want to make the background blue, that means you can choose the color that suits you. And then, you can download the image. Here is a fun tool, which is a free online image converter. Upload any of your images here. You can convert the image type after uploading. Convert image files to any format online for free, as this image is in PNG format. So, from here you can choose which format you want to convert the image to. So suppose we want to convert this image to JPG format. Here you have to click on Convert. Here you will click on Download all images. This means you can convert more than one image. I really like the online free AI Image Enlarger tool. It can automatically upscale the images up to 2x or 4x, without any quality loss. Upload your image here. Processing here will take some time. And after that, your image will be enlarged. I want to show you the difference between before and after here. We compare the images here. So, this is our original image. And, after this is scaled up, you can see that it has cleaned up the image quite a bit. Looking at the original image, it's not clear. But now after scaling, this image is clean. The image upscaler enhances image resolution up to 4x without quality loss. Using AI to ensure clarity and detail even in enlarged photos. Now, you can download this image. And all these tools are in front of you, in which you can compress the image. You can crop the image, or you can do text recognition. That means, transform text from images with AI-powered OCR. And this website is remove.photos. You can see that there is no login option. If you scroll down, you won't find any pricing options. This means that this website is completely free. And all these tools can be used for free. And if you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.